My son is Winaleb Dokinye. I'm from Yendi Bichado. And one of my friends was a nurse. And I saw the sickness to the nurse. And he saw you people on the Facebook and informed me. And I bring her for the surgery. I'm happy about the surgery, the way it has happened. I've been to the hospital a lot. I went to Nalergo 3 times by this year, but they could not be able to make it. I even went to Saboba for a month. I stayed there for 1 month. They did not be able to do the surgery. But I'm happy as the surgery has been done. I'm happy about that. And I thank you people so much. The way you are doing, God will really bless you.
I am Nihad, and my child is Ilyas Oridwan. Actually, I went to TTH to book a surgery for my son's hernia. But then, a friend of mine works here, and she called me and told me that there will be a free surgery going on here, so I should come for screening before they now book us. So when she told me that, we came here and they checked him. But we've been going to TTH for a very long time now, that they said they would do it for us, but they keep on postponing it. The reason being that he's so small, that he can't undergo the surgery because of anesthesia, that they'll be giving him a general anesthesia, and he's so small. But this time we went and they said maybe they may do it for us on Monday. That will be 11th August. But they did it for somebody and said the person paid 3,000. It was a bilateral inguinal hernia, and it's the same thing my boy is facing. They said we should come on Friday so that they will check, and then they will now tell us the price we are going to pay before they do the surgery on Monday. But when she told us, I just came here straight, and they did the surgery for us yesterday. We didn't pay a penny. So it has saved us a lot. We are very grateful, and they should keep on doing this for humanity.
We started this program that was on Monday, 4th August 2025, and we had a series of cases that was on hernia repair and lipoma. And then so far our patients are healing well, and then even though we're having some few challenges, that is our organization, how we organize our patients to the theater. But quite apart from that, we have done our best, and our patients are healing very fast, and most of them have recovered and have gone home.
We have overwhelming numbers of cases still left, but we're doing our best. We work deep into the night. We have sacrificed for almost all the staff to be on duty during the program. We have constraints, but even with the constraints, we are still able to manage and improvise to get the work done.